students, welcome back to Ace in Maths. I hope you all are fine. Today we will take exercise 2.5 of chapter 2 linear equation in one variable. So without any delay, let's start with question number 1. Now in this question, we will take variable on one side and consonants on other side. So x by 2 minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. As you already know that when we shift from left to right or right to left, sign always changes. Now we will take the LCM. 3x minus 2x is equal to, here also we will take the LCM, 5 plus 4. X by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. Now by cross multiplication, x into 20 is equal to 9 into 6. And x is equal to 9 into 6 upon 20. We will get it 2.7. Now question number 2. Now in this question, we will again take the LCM. It will come out as 12. 6n minus 9n plus 10n is equal to 21. 7n by 12 is equal to 21 and n is equal to 21 into 12 upon 7 equals to 36. This is the value of n. Now we will take question number 3. Now in this question again, we will take variables on one side and consonants on other side. X minus 8x upon 3 plus 5x upon 2 is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 7. Now we will take the LCM. 6x minus 16x plus 15x is equal to 7. Here the LCM will also come as 6. 17 minus 42. Now 5x upon 6 is equal to minus 25 upon 6. 5x is equal to minus 25 into 6 upon 6 and x is equal to minus 25 into 6 upon 6 into 5. Then we will solve it. We get it minus 5. Now we will take question number 4. In this question, we don't have variables and consonants separate. So what we will do? X minus 5 upon 3, we will take this to left hand side. X minus 3 upon 5 is equal to 0. Now we will take the LCM. It will come out as 15. 5 times x minus 5 minus 3 times x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we will open up the bracket. 5x minus 25 minus 3x plus 9 upon 15 is equal to 0. Whenever we open the bracket and there is minus sign outside, the sign of the number changes, which is inside. Now 2x minus 16 upon 15 is equal to 0. 2x minus 16 is equal to 0. We multiply 15 by 0, it will come as 0. 2x is equal to 16 and x is equal to 8. Now we will take question number 5. Now in this question, 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 minus 2 by 3 plus t is equal to 0. Now we will take the LCM. It will come out as 12. Now 3 times 3t minus 2 minus 4 times 2t plus 3 minus 8 plus 12t is equal to 0. 9t minus 6 minus 8t minus 12. Again the sign will change as minus is outside. Minus 8 plus 12t upon 12 is equal to 0. 13t minus 26 upon 12 is equal to 0. 13t minus 26 is equal to 0. 13t is equal to 26 and t will get as 2. Now we'll take question number 6. Now in this question also we'll take all the terms on one side. m minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 plus m minus 2 upon 3 is equal to 0. Now we'll take the LCM. It will come out as 6m minus 3 times m minus 1 minus 6 plus 2 times m minus 2 is equal to 0. 6m minus 3m plus 3 minus 6 plus 2m minus 4. Here the sign will not change as it is plus outside. Upon 6 is equal to 0. 5m minus 7 upon 6 is equal to 0. 5m is equal to 7 and m we will get as 7 upon 5. Now we take question number 7. Now in this question we will expand the bracket first. 3t minus 9 is equal to 10t plus 5. Now we will take variables on one side. 3t minus 10t is equal to 5 plus 9 minus 7t is equal to 14. T is equal to 14 upon minus 7 equals to minus 2. Now in question number 8 also we will expand the bracket first. 15y minus 60 minus 2y plus 18 plus 5y plus 30 is equal to 0. Now 15y minus 2y plus 5y minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 is equal to 0. 18y minus 12 is equal to 0. 18y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 upon 18. We'll cut it by 6. 2 times 3 times equals to 2 by 3. So this is the value of y. Now we'll take question number 9. Now in this question also we'll expand the bracket first. 15z minus 21 minus 18z plus 22 equals to 32z minus 52 minus 17. Now 15z minus 18z minus 32z. We'll take variables on one side and consonants on other. Is equal to minus 52 minus 17 plus 21 minus 22. Now by calculating we will get minus 35z is equal to minus 70 and z is equal to 70 upon 35. Minus will get cancelled, equals to 2. Now the last question, question number 10. Again we will expand the bracket. 1.00f minus 0.75 is equal to 0.50f minus 0.45. Now 1f, we can write it as 1f also, minus 0.50f is equal to minus 0.45 plus 0.75. 0.5f is equal to 0.30 and f is equal to 0.30 upon 0.5 equals to 6 upon 10 equals to 0.6. So this is the value of f. This was all in exercise 2.5. We'll take exercise 2.6 in next video. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe my channel, share and like it. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a great day.